Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Wholesale Central but for suppliers. We already made a video about the buyer both. Now it's the supplier turn. So Wholesale Central has proven to be an exceptional platform for suppliers. It offers a vast range of products, making it an ideal place for wholesale businesses. The website's user-friendly interface allows for easy navigation and quick access to various categories, ensuring a seamless browsing experience. And one of the standout features of Wholesale is its extremely network of reputable buyers. Suppliers can showcase their products to a large audience, increasing their chance of making profitable connections. The platform commitment to maintaining a high standard of quality ensures that suppliers can trust the legitimacy of potential buyers. So let's click on supplier sign up and hope we don't face any trouble. Now as a supplier you will need to fill up this list. Good. Okay, I think this is it. Area. They don't know the area where I am. No, we already used that email as a buyer. Let's use this one. Choose a username and a password. The only thing that I have to write manually is the password. And promo code, I don't have it. Enter the code you see. YAABB. Proceed with the previous starter order. I don't know. Let's go. Now let's change company name, company description. I am no company. Okay. Choose up 3 major categories. FBA supplier, babies item. COVID-19 supplier is bad because we are in 2023. Smoking products. Let's just gamble this. Dollar store. Amazon FBA supplier. Do you ship directly to FBI warehouse? No, because I didn't choose this. So website, if you have a wholesale website and rich, if you no, I don't. So almost done. Complete your informations. Everything is done. What is this? Toll-free phone numbers. Okay, I don't know what is this. Okay, selling points. Nowhere. Supplier type, business service, wholesaler, drug, drop shipper. I'm not. Price points. So medium cost. No, off price. Goods sold at price most cheaper. High cost or luxury. Off price. So minimum order. 0. Payment method accepted. Any testimonials. Your best testimonials from a buyer. He is no company. If you need help preparing your images, please contact the support. You will need to choose a logo, upload it, and click continue. So choose payment terms. It's $449 for 6 months or $698 for 12 months and save $200. Choose your credit card or payment methods and check and place your order. Now, moreover, Wholesale Central customer support is commendable. Their team is responsive and knowledgeable, promptly addressing to any concern or queries that suppliers may have. This level of support foster a positive working relationship and instills confidence in suppliers, knowing that they have a reliable partner in their business. So it's not much difference between the buyer and the supplier, but the difference is in the payments. The buyer has logged in with no questions. It just verified the email and logged in, creating their account and starting the business. But for the supplier to be trusted, they make them pay before doing anything. It's 400 per 6 months. That's a good price. But yeah, that's a good price. I can't negotiate with this. So future suppliers, that's what suppliers do, and buyers buy what suppliers post. So overall, Wholesale Central is a highly recommended platform for suppliers in the wholesale industry. Its wide product selection, user-friendly interface, extensive buyer network, valuable research, and excellent customer support makes it an invaluable tool for suppliers looking to extend their reach and achieve long-term success. And also for buyers, like I said, there are no difference. This is reachable for both need COVID-19 supplies. Buyers subscribe to the daily closet alerts. You can subscribe and have the notifications of the daily close out. So let's okay. Oh, this is the closeout central. I may have left the wholesale central. Here, America's leading B2B directory. It has been in front of me the whole video. I didn't read it. So, like I said, they have customer support. Get the latest product and trend. You post your email here and you will receive notifications. They have other sites like Leaf Retailer, Flea Market Zones, Summoner Communication, and Closeout Central. We can contact them if you need any help. This is the contact form. You fill it with your company name, your name, phone number, email, and what do you need help with. Then click I'm not robot, send the email, and they will respond you in your email app. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.